Thank you, and welcome to this second edition of the Nka Lounge. I am Gerald Eze, and I'm live with my ensemble, the Ichoku Academy. And we are going to take you on an interesting journey of music and stories. The next song is Odalesa. Asa is 7. And 7 is a symbolic number in Igbo culture. Indeed, all numbers are symbolic in Igbo culture. 7 means complete. It implies that something is complete. Monwasa, a complete spirit manifest. Dimpasa, a man that is complete in his essence. And sometimes our parents will warn us, Yesa Nanya. And this song is Odalesa. Igbo Rising is what I have called my musical project, because I see Igbo as that Odala Esa that's hanging up there. And it signifies that it is time for the Igbo to rise. And I'll be inviting Oloma Chukwu Odimegu to lead us in this performance, Odalesa.
Yeah.
you.